How to create a new Wikipedia page. Wikipedia is available in 321 languages with over 61 million articles. The English language Wikipedia alone has over 6.5 million. Anyone can write a new article for the online encyclopedia if they know the rules. Creating an article is best done after learning about how Wikipedia works. Editing some of the existing articles will help you become a better editor, but also better at reading Wikipedia. Let's learn the process of making a new Wikipedia page. To begin, you need to understand two Wikipedia policies, notability and reliability. Many new editors don't take the time to understand notability, and this is where issues often arise. More than 200 articles are deleted from the English Wikipedia every day, mostly because of a lack of notability. The second issue I've seen by editors is not providing reliable references for the subject. Make sure there is more than one source for the subject you want to write about. User-generated content and self-published sources are generally not considered reliable. Before starting, make sure no article is already published on the topic under a different term or name. Then check new existing article requests to make sure an open request is not already listed. If nothing comes up, time to proceed. Wikipedia has 3 places to place your new Wikipedia article: Namespace, draftspace, or userspace. These locations are called namespaces. Namespace is where Wikipedia articles live and are indexed by search engines. Established editors can create and publish pages directly in Namespace, but that is not necessarily the best place for a new page. Unconfirmed editors have to use draftspace, but established editors use draftspace as well. Using draftspace allows users to write and develop the article over time and receive feedback from other editors. Draftspace is intended to be an active space, and drafts that are abandoned after 6 months may be deleted. A new article drafted in userspace is similar to one drafted in draftspace, except a userspace draft just lives on a subpage of the user's account. It can be a good place to gather and format material before it is ready for Namespace or to draft an entire article. Remember, user subpages are public. Whichever namespace you use to make the new page, the same article policies apply. An article made directly in Namespace needs to be ready for general reading and as complete as possible when published. Using draftspace is the best place to work on writing an article over multiple sessions. I recommend reading about the different namespaces to learn more about them. There are 3 ways to make a new article. To start a draft, go to the main page on Wikipedia, select Learn to Edit, then Editing, and then the information page on creating new articles. From there, you can click the article wizard to create a new page in draftspace. For new users, stepping through the questions can help prevent later problems and help with the appropriate disclosure tags. Another way to create an article is to find a red link. Red links indicate pages that do not exist. If you click on the red link, it will load a new page ready to be written. The page will automatically be saved in draftspace for new users. Another method is to go to the main page of Wikipedia and type in the search box the title of what you are looking for. Check the results to make sure the page does not already exist. If it does not exist, it will say, "The page does not exist," and will give a red link that you can click on to create a new page. It will also give a link to the article creation wizard.
Note: administrators can preemptively prevent the creation of pages. This type of protection is useful for pages that have been deleted but repeatedly recreated. It is used to prevent spam.
Now that you've made it to the page creation area, time to write the new Wikipedia page. In this example, the first thing I'm going to write is a lead section summarizing what the person did and why they are important. The lead section will be a summary of information contained in the body of the article. After this, I'm going to create a heading called biography to start organizing the content, and go into my heading options and select heading. Down here, I will write a brief biography based on the information available. After this, we need to create a reference section to contain all our references. In order to make the reference section work, we need to insert a reference template. So go to Insert, then Template, then search Ref. We will select the Ref List template and then click Insert. Now I will add a reference and use the built-in reference generator to help fill out the appropriate information. When the page is published, the references will appear in the reference list at the bottom of the page. Another thing I want to add to this page is an info box. I will go to Insert, Template, and search Info Box. I will use Info Box Person. Since this is a biography, insert the name as it appears in the title and then fill out as many fields as possible. Images are an excellent addition to a Wikipedia page. Images uploaded to Commons can be placed on a Wikipedia article either in an info box or as an image on the page. In this example, I will put an image in the info box. In the image field, put in the image name as it appears in Wikimedia Commons. Hit insert and see how the info box looks. Let's go ahead and add some wiki links to link to other articles. Highlight the text you want to link, then click Link. Then select the appropriate Wikipedia page to link to. Next, I'm going to write some more content. Now I will add another reference and insert a few more links. At this point, we have a good outline of the general structure of a Wikipedia article. The entire article does not have to be created in one session if using draftspace, but you do want to get all the basic pieces in. To publish the article, click the Publish Page button. For the edit summary, say Created Article, then hit Publish Page, and the page will be saved into the chosen namespace. When a new article is published to Namespace, the article will be reviewed by new page reviewers. If you publish on draftspace and your draft is complete, just place this template at the top of the page to have it reviewed. If it passes review, it will be moved to Namespace. Now we are done. We have successfully created a brand new Wikipedia article from scratch. We have reliable references for the material, a lead section, content section, reference section, info box, and image. I have linked helpful resources and created a playlist of videos showing examples of common Wikipedia edits. I highly recommend watching through the videos. Links to relevant Wikipedia pages and policies are also in the video description. Until next time, don't be a vandal.